Blow out the candles, Alyssa. Stand up. Come over here.
Do we need to light one again?
Let's light this one.
No problem. Blow it out. And of course, because we had to get the fighter jet. Which one should I light? Oh, there you go.
Yay! Alyssa, give me some nuts. All right.
All right. Who wants cake? Okay. I'm going to come over here. Start cutting the cake. And you know what we're going to